Good day, everyone. My name is Giselle Kaina. I will be discussing about the project-based instruction or project-based learning, which is often abbreviated to the acronym PBL. Here is the topic outline for this report. The first part is about the definition and characteristics of a project-based learning. And then the second part is about the key features or the key elements that are present in PBL. To start off, let's look at the definition of PBL. It says here that project-based learning is a teaching method in which students gain knowledge and skills by working for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an authentic, engaging, and complex question, problem, or challenge. This means that PBL is a pedagogy in which students learn by actively engaging in real-world and personally meaningful projects. And the project that they are working on is the curriculum itself. And it is not just something that is given by the teacher as a supplemental activity at the end of the discussion. In PBL, the teacher acts as a facilitator or a mentor rather than a lecturer. The teacher helps the student build their knowledge during the learning process as opposed to passively giving them information or teaching them the subject. Project-based learning is also one of the approaches in teaching and learning that promotes the idea that students play an active role in their learning, that they are not just passive beings waiting to receive information. So here, the learners try to make sense of ideas, problems, and information that they encounter. To know further about this approach, let us have a run-through of the key features that are present in PBL. The first two elements are the significance of the content and the need to know. So the content of the project must engage students in a complex, real-world issues and problems. And here, it requires students to use inquiry, planning skills, critical thinking skills, and problem-solving skills as they complete the project. Proceeding to the other elements, we have a driving question and a student voice and choice. So, a good driving question is an open-ended, complex, and linked to the core of what you want your students to learn. And a good PBL will enable students' choice and voice about the type of product they want to create, how they work, how time is managed, and what resources are utilized. Here are the other elements. A project should give students opportunities to build 21st century skills like collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and innovation skills. And the last two elements are feedback and revision and publicly presented content. It is important that teachers formalize a process for feedback and revision during a project to emphasize the importance of high-quality project. Lastly, a public audience is the final element of project-based learning. This isn't just about finishing a project, but it is also presenting it publicly, which demonstrates what the students learn in doing the project. Again, from a teacher's perspective, Project-based learning is a method of structuring curriculum around the projects to promote learning. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.